Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fun, Learn and Nature. Please watch the video and please subscribe my channel. Today we will solve sample paper of IMO for class 5. There are 4 sections. First logical reasoning, second mathematical reasoning, third everyday mathematics and 4 achiever section. First section is logical reasoning. Question number 1. Shelly is ordering a skirt from a catalog. She can choose one of two lengths, a short skirt and a long skirt. Then she can choose one of 3 fabric patterns, strip, plaid or flower. At most, how many different combinations could Shelly order choosing a length and a fabric pattern? Short skirts length with 3 pattern, one strip, one plaid and one flower, and long skirt with 3 pattern. So how many combination she can order? 6. So option D is correct. Question number 2. The number of cubes in a given figure is this down 4, then this middle 2 and this side 3 and this above 2 and this 1 is 1 plus 4 5 plus 2 7 7 plus 3 10 plus 2 12 means number of cubes are 12. Answer B is right. Question number 3. Find the odd one out. A is 7, B is 9, C is 4 and D is 6. 7 is prime number, 9, 4 and 6 are composite number. So which is odd? 7. So A is the correct answer. Question number 4. Which of the following is 19 to the right of the 17 from the right end of a given arrangement? First we'll check the 17th number from the right end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This is the 17th number. And the 9 to the right is A. A is a 9 to the right of the 17. So A option is correct. Next section is mathematical reasoning. Question number 5. Which figure has area of 8 square unit and perimeter of 12 unit? Each square block is of side 1 unit. Means here 3 blocks are there. So length is 3 unit, here 2 unit. In option B, length 4 unit and breadth 2 unit. In option 3, C, 3 and 3 and option D 8 and 1. Now what is area? Area is equal to length into breadth. And what is perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Now we first check the area of all these options. Area of A figure is 3 into 2, 6. B, area of B figure 4 into 2, 8. Area of third figure 3 into 3, 9. And area of fourth figure 8 into 1, 8. Then which area is matched with the given question? B. So we check the perimeter of B. Perimeter of B is what? 2 into length plus breadth. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 into 2, 12 means option B is correct because area is 8 and perimeter is 12. Now question number 6. The line graph shows the number of people who visited a museum from March to July. How many more visitors were there in April than in June? This is showing the number of people visited to museum, and here in which month. In April 350 people are visited to museum, and in June 250 people visited to museum. So 100 more visitors were there in April than in June. So D option is correct. Question number 7. How many angles inside the figure are greater than a right angle? Means greater than 90 degrees. So this is number 1. Then this is second. This is third. This is fourth. This is fifth. This is sixth, and this is seventh. So there are 7 angles which are greater than right angle. Answer is C. Now question number 8. What fraction of a figure are hard? Means in denominator total number of figure will come. So how many total number of figure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 and here 4 means 24. So 24 will come down. And how many hearts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 will come up. And 6 ones are 6. 6 fours are 24. Then which is the correct answer? A. Question number 9. Katrina went to watch a movie. The time at which the movie started and ended are shown on the 2 clocks given. How long did the movie last? First clock showing 7:15. And ending time is 10 o'clock. Now easy method is 7:15 to 8:15, 1 hour. 8:15 to 9:15, 1 hour. And 9:15 to 10, 45 minutes. So 1 plus 1 plus 45 minutes, 2 hour 45 minutes. So B answer is correct. Question number 10. If white is called blue, blue is called red, red is called yellow, yellow is called green, green is called black, black is called violet, violet is called orange, then what would be the color of human blood? What is the color of human blood? Red, and red is called yellow. So answer B is correct. Next section is everyday mathematics. Question number 11. Hari had 500 coins in a jar. He sorted the coins into 25 different stacks. Each stacks had the same number of coins. How many coins were in each stacks? Now Hari had how many coins? 500 coins. And he sorted this coin into 25 different stacks. So we need to do division here. 25 twos are 50. So there are 20 coins were in each stacks. So answer A is correct. Question number 12. There are 914 students enroll in elementary schools. How many students are in elementary school? 914. And middle school has 276 fewer students than elementary school. Means minus 276. 14 minus 6, 8. 10 minus 7, 3. And 8 minus 2, 6. 638 students are enrolled in at middle school. So D answer is correct. Question number 13. Tom left home at 7:15 a.m. to go to work. He returned home at 4:45 p.m. For how long Tom was away from home? Here we first convert this 4:45 p.m. into 24-hour clock. 1 o'clock means 13 o'clock. So here 4:45 means 16:45. Now minus 7:15. 5 minus 5 0. 4 minus 1 3. And 16 minus 7 9. And for 9 hours 30 minutes Tom was away from home. So B is the correct answer. Next section is achiever section. Question number 14. Part of scale is shown below. What is the value of the reading at X? There is 5 lines between two numbers. Distance between this is 0.02. So after 10 there are 2 lines. So 0.04 and 10 means 10.04. So answer B is correct. Question number 15. Vivek rented a bicycle for 3 hours. How much did he pay? Here 2 rules they have given. First for first hour ₹7 and every additional half hour is for ₹3. So every additional half hour 3 rupees, means for 1 hour additional 1 hour 6 rupees, and first hour 7 rupees. He rented a bicycle for 3 hours, means first 7 rupees and then next hour 6 rupees and second next hour 6 rupees, means 19 rupees. So option B is correct. Thank you for watching and hope you like this video.